Hi friends, this is Late Matolia. Today we are discussing how to write the program for circular linked list. So first of all we are including some header files here. So we are writing some code. So it starts with including header files. So you can include stdio.h standard input output header file. Include conio.h for console input output header file. Now you can create one structure for circular linked list. So we are writing struct node. In this you have to create one data part, and second you have to create one self-referential structure. So you can write struct node star next. Now we have to create the variable for structure. So you can write start is equals to null. So this is the structure for your circular linked list. So we are commenting this section here. So you can write structure for circular linked list. Now we are adding two functions, prototype for circular linked list program. Now first we are writing insert data, and here we can write integer, or second function you can write void and displays method name. Now we are not returning anything from this and we are not passing any argument from this, then we are using void. Void means nothing to return or nothing to pass. So we are implementing two functions, insert data for creating your linked list and then display for displaying your linked list data. Now void main, starting point of your C program, integer ch is your for choice, num for number, clr scr for clear screen. Now we are adding two do while loop. While one means condition remains always true. Now you can write some printf statement, printf backslash new line for new line 1 for creating linked list. Second printf will display your contents of the circular linked list. So we are having display option. Printf backslash new line, third option you can exit from the program. Printf you can write enter your choice. So you can take any choice at runtime by using the scanf function. So you can write address of number, or sorry, ch for choice. Now you can use switch case. So you can write switch ch. Now you can write some case statement, then case 1 we are adding some new element into the linked list. So you can call insert data method or function. So for that you have to pick one arguments. So you can write enter any number. So you can take at runtime, then you can use scanf function. So %d address of number. Now in insert data function you can pass your number and put one break statement at the end of case 1. Now you can use case second for displaying your contents. So you can write display function and then break. Case third for exiting from the program. So you can use exit 0, means successful termination. And default case you can use invalid choice. So we are writing printf invalid choice. Okay, so we are displaying some contents. Now for adding some element into the circular linked list, we have to implement our function. So you can write insert data, integer number we are taking as argument. Now you can create some temporary nodes, struct node star q comma star temp. Okay, now we are checking if start equal null. Initially we are checking start if equal null, then we have to create the node as the starting node. So you can write struct node star. Now you can allocate memory to the start. So you can write malloc then size of struct node. Fine. Now you can write start of data is equals to num, and start of next is pointing to the start node. So it is known as circular linked list. Else if start doesn't equals to null, then we have to traverse the whole list. Now you can write q is equals to start. Now you can check while q of next not equal to start, then you can update your pointer by using q equals to q of next. Fine. So we are traversing our data till the end. So you can add some new element into the linked list at the end. So add new element at end position. So we are creating one temporary node. So you can write temp is equals to struct node star malloc. Then you can write size of struct node. Now you can add data. So you can write temp of data equals to number. Now temp of next is equals to start, and we have to refer q of next is equals to temp. Fine. Now for displaying your data, we are having one display method. So you can write display. Now we are using some do while loop. So struct node star q is equals to, we can write start. Now do. We can print our data. So you can write printf %d \t, then you can print q of data. Now you can update your pointer, then q is equals to q of next. Now in while loop you can check while q not equals to start, then we can print our data. So save this. You can run this program. So choice number 1, you can enter your data. So write 10, Control C, enter any number. You can write here, you can write 10. Wait for some minutes. Sorry. So this is an infinite loop. Okay, now we have to again start this program. So we are opening our program cll.c. So this is our program. So you can run this program. So choice number 1, you can enter your data 10, 1, you can enter your data 20, 1, you can enter your data 30, 1, you can enter your data 40. Now we want to display, then you can write 2. So we are having our data 10, 20, 30 and then 40. Okay, 3 means you are exit from the program. Now we want to add our data at a specific location. Now we are adding one new prototype. So you can write void add specific. So you can add integer. Now at fourth number choice, you can write fourth number choice add at specific position. Okay, for specific position we have to pass two parameters. One is position and second one is data. So we can write two arguments at specific. So case number 4 we are writing at specific calling. So case 4 you can take two parameters printf enter any number and its position. Now you can take two values by using percentage scanf function. You can use %d address of number comma address of position. Okay, now you can call add specific function. So you can pass your number and position from this function and you can use break statement. Now we have to write the definition for this add specific function. You can take two parameter, one is number and second one is your position. So we are adding one new variable integer I. So you can take your loop for I is equals to 1, I is less than position minus 1, then I becomes plus plus. Now you can traverse your loop. So you can write q is equals to q of next. So here you can write struct node star q is equals to start. Okay, now we have to add our new node. So you can add new node at a specific position. So you can create one temporary node here. So you can write star temp. So you can allocate memory to this. So you can write temp is equals to struct node star malloc, then you can write size of struct node. Now we can write temp of data is equals to num. You can write q of next is equals to temp. And you can write temp of next is equals to q of next. Now you can refer q of next is equals to temp. So this is the code for adding your element at a specific position. Now we are running this code. So 1, 10, 1, 20, 1, 30, 1, 40. Now you can display. So we are having element 10, 20, 30, 40. Now we want to add at a specific position. So enter any number 500 and we want to give the position number 2. So you can display your number. So 2 number position we are having the element 500. Fine. Now you can exit from this code. Okay. So now we are adding our element at the beginning position. So for beginning position we are writing one more prototype void add beg. So you can take only single argument as integer. So 5 number choice we can write a statement like that 5 add at beginning position. So we can call case number 5. So you can write case 5. You can take element printf enter any number. Now you can take by using the scanf function, you can write %d address of number. Now add beginning function you can call, and you can pass your number from this function, and then you can put break statement. Now you have to write the definition for this function. So you can write add BEG, you can pass your number. So first we have to traverse the list till the end. So you can write struct node star q comma star temp. So you can refer q with the start node. Now we have to traverse till the end. So you can write while q of next not equal to start. Now you have to traverse your list till the end. Now we are having our node at the last number index. So we have to add new node. So you can write add new node at beginning position. So you can create temporary node. So you can write temp struct node star, then malloc size of struct node. Fine. Now you have allocated the memory for the temporary node. Now we have associated data part with the number. Now what to refer? Temp of next is equals to start, and we have to refer q of we have to refer at the beginning position. So you can write temp of data equals to num, temp of next is equals to start, and you can refer q of next is equals to temp. So we have added our element at the beginning position. So we can check is this correct or wrong. So yes, and then F9 1, then 10 1, then 20 1, then 30. So you can display your element. So we are having the element 10 20 30. Now we can click on the choice number 5. So you can add your element 500, and now you can display. So 500 is at last number index. So we have to place this at the beginning position. So what to do? We have to change some code. Okay. So add beginning function. First you have to allocate temporary node. Now temp of data equals to num. Now you can associate temp of next is equals to start, and q of next is equals to q of next. So you have to check what is the problem. So q of next, just a minute, please wait. I'm just adding new component at the end. So what is the code? Suppose we are having the list like this, 1 then 2, so we are adding one new node temp. So we have added number 10, temp of data. Now temp of next we have to associate with temp of next is equals to start. Now you have to refer q of next is equals to temp. Now we have to refer start is equals to temp. So we have to update one new link here. You can write start is equals to temp. Now we can check is this correct or wrong. So 1 10 1 20 1 30, you can display your number 10 20 30. Now we want to add at beginning position. So we want to add 500. Now we want to display. Sure, this is the correct. So 500 is at beginning position. Now what to do? we have to found the location for the particular element. So we want to search the element in the list. So we are adding one new prototype here. So you can write searching. So void search integer. Okay, we want to search the element in the given list. So we want to add at index number 6. So you can write printf backslash new line 6 number index search element. Now at choice number 6 we can write 6 printf enter any element to search. Okay, now you can take your element scanf %d address of number. You can pass your element search the number. Now break. So at case number 6 we can search our element. Now you can write the function definition then integer number. So for this we have to traverse the list. So we are adding one flag element here. Now we want to write struct node star q and then we are associating with the start node. Now we have to traverse the list. So you can write while q of data part. We have to check q of next not equals to start. Okay, so we have to check do while loop. We have to implement do while loop. Do while loop. So you can write do, and in this you can check if q of data part equals to number. Now flag equals to 1, otherwise flags equals to 0, and then break. And you can update your q is equals to q of next. Now you can check while q not equals to start. Okay, if flag equals to 1, now you can print the location for this element. Now printf %d and then loc. So we are adding loc is equals to 0. Now we are incrementing loc plus plus location plus plus. Now you can print your location. So you can write element found at location, else you can write printf element not found in circular linked list. Now save this and then run this program. So 1 you can add element 10, 1, 20, 1, 30, 1, 40. Now you can display 2. Now search the element. We want to search element 30. So 30 will be at index number 2. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So we have to update this. So we have to start the location from 1. Okay, so we can find. So we have searched the element. Now if we want to find how many numbers are even and how many numbers are odd in the linked list, circular linked list, then we are writing even odd and void. We want to count how many nodes are even nodes and how many nodes are the odd nodes. So we can write printf backslash new line 7th number index find even odd. So we can call case 7 even odd and then break. Now we have to write the function definition for the even odd. So you can write void even odd. Now for this we are taking two variable of integer type, even equals to 0, odd equals to 0 and total count equals to 0. Now we can write struct node star q is equals to start. Do while q of q not equals to start. Now we can check if q of data remainder by 2 equal 0, means we are calculating even nodes, then you can write even plus equals to q of data. Else we have to calculate odd plus equals to q of data. Otherwise you can write tc is equals to even plus odd, and you can update your pointer, so you can write q is equals to q of next. So out of loop we can print how many, what is the total of even nodes and what is the total of odd nodes. So you can write printf even total is equals to percentage d. Now you can print even. Printf backslash new line odd total is equals to percentage d, then odd. Printf total is equals to percentage d. Now you can write tc. Save this. Yes. Now you can check. 1 10 1 5 1 7 1 3 1 56 1 23. Now you can write 7. So we are having even total equals to 66, odd total equals to 38, so grand total is equals to 104. So you can write 3. Fine. So thanks for watching this channel. We will upload new concept on this channel, so please visit my channel, and if you are having some problem then you can mail to us. So mail ID for mine is equals to npltech85 npltech85@gmail.com and mobile number 9983778429. And you can also visit to my website. So website I am having http://www.npltech.in. Fine. You can also visit to our main site CDEC Jaipur. So you can visit website http://www.cdecjaipur.in. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. We will upload new concepts on this channel.